Okay. So, since makuha naman na 'to ang VE class, we can then solve our IE from the Ohm's law, 'di ba? VE is equals to I IERE. Manipulating the formula so we can make use of this formula. But since our IE is approximately equal to our IC, which is kani, therefore, makuha na nato si VCE. Diba? Kung mag-loop ni emitter bias, it is equals to VCC minus ICRC minus VCE minus IERE. But since IE is equals to IC, so pwede na ni siya mahimong IC, right? Equal to 0. So VCE is equals to VCC. Again, we can factor out IC. IC is equals to, i-add nimo ang resistor, which is this one. Okay? So, dali lang pagkuha.
Excuse me, miss. Naka-off siguro yung mong mic, miss.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Again, so, kabaw naman ta nga, approximate ni, di ba? But there are some instances and some problems, maingon naman siya. So, for the following voltage divider bias configuration. So, we don't know if it's approximate or exact. So, using this condition, beta RE greater than or equal to 10 times over R2, kani 100. 100, 100 beta is 100, RE is 1.5, greater than or equal to 10 times over R2, R2 is 3.9K. So 150,000 is greater than 39K, which is satisfied. So therefore, satisfied man siya, we can use the approximate analysis. So to solve, VB ang una. So our R2 is 3.9K. Our VC is 22 all over 3.39K plus 3.9K. So this is equals to 2 volts. Next, we need to solve our VE. VE is VB minus VBE. VB is 2 minus 0.7. That's 1.3 volts. Next, nakuha naman to si VE. Masolve na to si IE. IE is VE over RE. Right? VE is 1.3. RE is 1.5K. So this is equals to 0.87 milliamperes. But since our IE is equal to IC, so it is equals to 0.87 milliamperes. Right? O, di dayon ta. Wala yung mga lisod-lisod na formula. Okay. Next, VCE. So, VCE is equals to VCC minus IC RC plus RE. Right? So, this is equal to 22 minus 0.87 milliamperes. RC is 10K. RE is 1.5K. Right? Which is equals to 12 volts. Right? F dayon. Okay. VC can be solved using VCE plus VE. Ano naman tayo VCE nga 12? VE nga 1.3. So, that's 13.3 volts. Diba? Dali na kayo ta compare sa to exact. Dili siya time consuming. So, letter G dayon. VBC. Okay. VBC can we solve VB minus VC. Na naman tayo VB nga 2, VC na siya VC. 2 na naman tayo VC nga 13.3. So, this is negative 11.3 volts. Right?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Take a screenshot, take a screenshot. Okay, next we have here, given that IC is equals to 2 milliamperes and VC is equals to 10, determine R1 and RC. Okay, di ba class naman tayo loop na VCC is equals to ICRC minus VCE minus equals minus ICRE because IE is equals to IC. So, let's on lang ako. Since IC is given plus, therefore, IE is also 2 milliamperes. Or diretso na yung dose si IE, 2 milliamperes. So, we need to solve R1. Siyempre, ano. Saan mo po? Sakto lang yun. Okay. Now, si R1 plus, makuha, present na si R1 during the formula sa ato ang VB. Diba? Katong R2, VCC all over R1 plus R2. Right? And we need to have VB first. Okay, missing na guys si R1, missing pa dyan si VB. So, in finding VB, yung formula ni VB, VBE plus VE. Diba? So, VB is 0.7, then we need to find our VE. Now, VE is equal to IE RE. So, IE is equals to 2 milliamperes times RE, which is 1.2K. So, therefore, our VE is 2.4 volts. That's our VE. Now, we can then solve this one, which is 0.7 plus 2.4, which is equal to 3.1 volts. Okay, so kompleto na. Natay VB, natay R2, natay VCC. So, manipulate para R1 ang mahabilin. So, cross multiply VB R1 R2, R2 VCC. So, distribute VB R1 plus VB R2. Distribute niyo si VB. Okay, equal to R2 VCC. Okay, VB R1 transpose VB R2 to the other side of the equation. VB R2. Divide both sides by VB para si R1 ang makabilin. R1 is equals to R2 VCC minus VB R2 all over VB. which is equals to our R2 is 18K, VCC is 18 gihapon minus VB which is 3.1, R2 is 18K all over 3.1. So R1 is equal to 86.52K ohms. Huwag masayop. Okay. Next, we need to solve our what do you call this? RC. Right. So si RC class na-solve using ani. Okay. So from that, ato na i-manipulate. Okay. Arit na dere. Ipabili na to si ICRC. So ICRC is equals to VCC minus VCE minus ICRE. Okay, this one, ako muna siyang gihimong IC na lang. Okay, so divide both sides by IC para si RC ang makabili. Okay, so RC is equals to VCC minus VCE minus ICRE all over IC, which is equal to VCC is 18, VCE is 10, then 10 is given na ra, right? Minus ICRE, our IC is 2 milliamperes, RE is 1.2 all over IC, which is 2 milliamperes. So RC is equal to 2.8 K ohms. Right? That's our RC. Okay. Take a screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Right. Okay. This is the last DC biasing. So when both we have the voltage feedback. So voltage feedback, an improved level of stability can also be obtained by introducing a feedback path from collector to base as shown on the figure. Almost the same when voltage divider bias but with less resistors. It is also called self-bias or collector feedback. So nakabantay mo class na ang voltage divider is naa siya diri. Right? And naa po siya padong diri. Or kung emitter bias, nara siya diri, diha ra siya photon. Wala na siya diha. But for the voltage feedback class, naa siya diri nga side. Okay? So, pagtan-ang nato diri class, na siya ginatawag na IC prime o IC. Nganong na IC prime? Di ba class, na naman to diri ang iyahang sumpay sa RB or resistors atong base. So, pag abot diri na gikan sa atong VCC class, natay RC nga naay IC prime. Kay this RC, dapat naman na siya current para naa siya ihang voltage drop. But since naman tayo laing terminal diri, IC gihapon na siya diha. This is the total IC na paabot diri. Okay? Partial lang ni siya nga IC, kakuyog sa RC nga maka-voltage drop diri nga part. And this part here, kani nga terminal mo, produce man siya na siya blaan diha. And this is the totality of the voltage drop. So the figure shows that the base emitter loop, kani base emitter loop, for the voltage feedback configuration, writing Kirchhoff's voltage law KVL around the indicated loop on the clockwise direction. So ato na siyang i-loop here. Okay. So plus VCC, kinigawa siya sa plus, minus ICRC, IC prime na siya ka sa IC prime IC,